Hi, grade 5. I hope now the connection is better. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Miss. Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Miss Hanan.
Hi, dear. Okay, so let's continue where we stopped. We're on page 268. Hopefully we don't lose connection again.
Yes, number 9.
Number 9.
This is my number.
Yes, all day, right?
Yes, Miss. I am not lucky.
It's okay. Go ahead.
The Salmon Islands are beautiful all year. Salmon.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes?
sorry because I didn't
Proper.
Sorry, what?
Proper.
Sorry
Proper.
because I didn't come in the time. We are in which page?
We're continuing on page 268 where we stopped.
And beautiful adjective.
Okay, it's an adjective. What does it tell us? What kind or how many? Beautiful, it tells us. Beautiful. To tell us what kind or how many. The islands are beautiful. It tells us what kind.
What kind?
Kind. Okay, thank you. And number 10.
Miss, I said answer.
I said
Me.
Yasin Dwayne.
Yes.
Go ahead, yes.
Jessica is a wonderful place for a holiday. Wonderful, what kind?
Wonderful. What kind? Excellent. Thank you, Yasin. Okay, now let's go ahead and move to the practice workbook. No, let's continue. Let's continue. Because we have some different exercises. Okay, choose the correct article or demonstrative adjective in the parentheses. Okay, so again, when do we know if we should use this or that or these or those based on the sentence?
Miss, I
we
did not
look
finish.
You did not finish?
Yes.
Miss,
Yes.
Tanahi and Zini Hisham says to let them in.
I only had Danahi in the waiting room and he already joined.
Okay, and
Again,
Yasin
guys,
Hisham.
please send a message on your class group.
I sent what Yasin Hisham said to let them in.
There's
Miss,
nobody
I
in the waiting
sent
room.
I sent the message.
Okay.
Also me, I sent.
All right. Is everybody done with Can I move on? Okay.
Yes.
All right. No need to raise your hands, guys. I will call on you. Okay. Number 1, Shlok. Number 2, Yusuf. Number 3, Habiba. Number 4, Esir. Sorry, we're starting at 6, right?
Yeah.
No, 11. 11. Sorry.
11.
11 on page. Okay. Sorry. Again, Shlok number 11. The order keeps changing, so I want to make sure everyone answered. Okay, Shlok number 11. Shlok number 11. Amgad number 12. Number 13. Esir. 14. Hannah Sultan. 15. Yasina Sadat.
Should I start?
Go ahead.
Miss Hanan, Yasin Hisham in the waiting room.
There's nobody in the waiting room.
How Miss is saying?
Nobody in the waiting room.
Is the Miss talking?
Okay, go ahead, Shlok.
Yes. Or the climate in Shaba is harsh.
Siberia.
Siberia. The climate.
The climate. Very good. Okay,
Thank
next.
you.
Okay, who did I call in for number 2? Yusuf?
I don't know.
Yeah,
No,
this
me.
is an answer.
Yusuf,
Me.
are you there?
Amgad.
I'm good. You
Okay,
said
I'm good.
I'm
Go
good.
ahead. Go ahead, I'm good. Sorry.
The people must be prepared for extreme temperatures.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Hannah Sultan.
Yes.
And or Alaskan winter is also very cold. And
And very good. Thank you. Next. Reem, are you there?
I don't have this book.
You don't have your book? Okay. Habiba?
yes, sir.
I think that number 4
Those
is answer.
those freezing temperatures are a problem for people in some northern countries.
Those. Thank you. Answer number 5. Esther, are you there?
Yes. Would you like to visit that country? Would you like to visit that country?
Would you like to visit that country? Okay, thank you. Number 6. Number 6.
Me.
Yassine Sadef?
Miss, it must be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yes,
I
sorry.
confused.
I'm sorry, guys. It's because it's automatically. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. 16.
Maybe you should visit what country of Iceland in July? There.
Thank you.
All right.
This is very confusing. Okay, thank you. Aday, number 17.
Okay. Would not you rather visit the or a country with the warmer climate? The.
Number 17. Wouldn't you rather visit the country with a warmer climate?
I think it's A.
You think it's what?
Miss,
Miss,
whoever
you are lagging.
I think so.
You are
His voice
lagging.
is
I think
lagging.
it's
Miss,
A
you are
also.
lagging.
I think it's A also. Why?
Yeah,
Because
Oh my!
lagging.
The voice is.
Can she,
يا جماعة
you know,
لسه
you
مش
hear me now?
سامعاكوا يا جماعة لسه مش سامعاكوا عشان
Lagging.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Miss, I think so. You should leave and join again.
Allah.
صوت
I'm not going to join
محمود
again,
عارف
guys. I'm here. Can you hear me?
زي صوت
The voice is so loud.
مس يا جماعة في حد لسه يا جماعة
I'm what?
You're lagging.
Guys, it says that I
Miss,
have
you
a
are
stable
lagging.
connection. Can you hear me now?
Miss, your voice.
But
Like,
you're
No,
lagging
we
some.
do not hear anything in number 17.
yes.
Okay, number 17 is A.
Why?
Because
Right,
it
it
didn't
says-
say
Would
a
you
country.
rather
It doesn't say a specific country.
visit
Because it
Exactly.
didn't say a
the
specific
the
country.
country?
Exactly.
No,
Because
it would be a country.
country. And it's not the plural.
Okay,
Not
number,
because of that.
that's right. Number 18. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss. Now we can hear you.
Okay.
Anybody close the camera because the internet.
All right.
Internet.
Number 18, Malak. Malak, are you there?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you answer number 18, please?
I don't have my book.
You don't have your book. Where's your book?
Okay, I'll get it. 1 sec.
Okay, Malak, we join with our book and ready
Alright.
to answer when I call on you. Aysel, number 18.
These countries, Greece, Jamaica, or Kenya. These.
These, thank you. Plural. Number 19. Amgad.
Mr. Starting from the beginning.
Yeah, go ahead, Amgad.
I was number 1, Ahmed was number 2.
It's not by number. I'm choosing on those who raise their hand. Just go ahead, Amgad, please.
By raising our Miss, in the first you said don't raise your hand, you'll pick people.
Yes, but I already went through that order. So now I'm choosing those who are raising their hands. Go ahead,
I didn't.
Amgad, answer number 19, please. Abdurrahman al-Tanahi can answer number 20.
Okay.
Are you there, Amgad?
I don't think.
Don't think Amgad is muted.
Okay. Tanahi, you can do number 19, please.
Okay. Perhaps you don't mind or the colder regions of the world. The colder regions of the world.
Very good. And number 20, Amr.
Yes. If you could take the or a perfect vacation, where would you go?
What is it?
A perfect vacation.
No.
It would be the. Why? Because we're talking about the specific, right? So what would be the perfect vacation for you? It is a specific thing. So the perfect vacation.
Miss, it's specific for what?
It is a specific vacation. All right. So in his mind, he has a perfect vacation. For example, his perfect vacation would be a trip to Paris. All right. This is his idea in his mind of the perfect vacation. So it's a specific
So
destination.
if you don't have perfect, it will be a.
That's right. Excellent.
Miss, now we will do a practice book.
I wanted for us to finish. Yeah, we don't have much time. We don't have much time, and I wanted for us to finish explanatory writing. That for me is more important than this review because clearly you all know this review. So we will do that for homework.
Yes.
Okay, we will do the practice sheet for homework, and that's all for the review. But now let's move on. Did everybody write this?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on to explanatory writing. Yes?
Can you get back for the one before this slide?
Sure, 1 second.
Hello?
This is not it.
The one
Can
before?
you hear me? Yes, before it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
The homework is a sheet.
The homework, yes, I will upload the
Oh.
homework for you.
Who was that?
Miss,
Yes?
you are right. The homework is so easy.
The homework is very easy, yes.
Yes, you are right.
That's
Did
good.
you receive my homework from Messenger yesterday because my Gmail got hacked?
Who sent me homework by Messenger? Guys, I do not accept homework by Messenger. It must be sent to
It
the
was
school
only
email.
today because my Gmail got hacked.
What's wrong with your Gmail? If you have internet, your Gmail should work. Any email. It doesn't have to be
I
Gmail.
don't know what happened. I fixed it today. Today I'm gonna send it by email, both.
Okay.
I'm sorry for sending
Okay.
it by
If you
Messenger.
sent it to me yesterday, send it to me today on Gmail.
Yes, I do it.
Okay. All right, guys. Where did we stop in explanatory writing? I think we finished the revision, right? So we stopped at step 4. We stopped at step 4, revise.
We finished the proofread.
Okay.
Yes, the last
We finished proofread also?
We
Okay.
are in indent paragraphs. Indent paragraphs.
Okay.
No, we must be in revision.
All right, 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys, because I'm going to open the book for you.
Okay.
Everybody, please open your textbook to page. Proofread is on page 228 in your language arts textbook.
We finished the proofread.
We finished
I know,
proofread.
I know, I know. I want you to open the page though.
Can you say page what again, please?
228.
228 in the language arts textbook.
Okay, thank you. After you have revised your explanatory writing, you need to proofread it.
Miss, we didn't make publish. The publish is a.
I know, dear. I know. 1 second, I'm just getting the book. I'm trying to share it on the screen for you. Okay, can I get a volunteer, please, again, to read what we do when we proofread?
Miss,
Okay, I want someone to please read the checklist on the right side on page 229.
Miss,
Miss, excuse me, please tell you to let him in the meeting.
Okay, I added him. All right, Yasina Duane, can you read please loudly the checklist for proofreading on 229?
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will open it. Okay. The look at the proofreading. The checklist, right?
Yeah, the checklist.
Yes.
Yes.
Checklist on the right.
Yes. Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Miss, there are no share screen.
Yes.
It will work.
Checklist. Proofreading. Did you spell all words correctly? Did you? Miss, you can hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so we're asking, did you spell all words correctly? Continue.
Did you insert the commas after time order words? Did you correct any problems with verb tenses? Did you end each sentence with the correct punctuation mark? Did you end each paragraph?
Okay, thank you. So this is what we are looking for in the proofreading
Miss, we
part.
are on page what?
We're on page 228 in the textbook. But now I would like, guys, for you to please open
29, the
page,
checklist.
please open page 50D in your
130.
practice workbook. 50D.
Okay.
Famous.
50. Okay.
50 right. هذا شوية دلوقتي session. ماشي؟
Practice workbook, page 50D.
I love to make this paragraph.
You do?
Yes.
I'm opening it.
Okay. Everybody open the page.
50
B ولا B or D?
G.
All right. So at the top here, we have the proofreading marks. All right. I want everyone to please look at these. These are the marks that we use when we are proofreading our paragraph, checking for mistakes before we publish it. Okay, so this symbol here means new paragraph, means we should indent. All right, this arrow here means add. This line, take out. All right, we make this when we want to remove a letter or we want to remove a word. Okay, when we want to make a capital letter, we underline the letter 3 times. All right, when we want to make a small letter, we draw a line through the letter like this. When we want to check the spelling, if we find something that is misspelled, we will draw a line through it and write SP. Okay, does everybody see SP in the circle? And if we are missing a period, and if we are, yes?
If there's a wrong word in spelling,
yeah,
should I write the word again or just check spelling?
We draw a line through it and we write SP. You can write also the correct spelling. Okay.
So I must take it out, then check spelling, then write it?
So you write the correct spelling and then you write this SP, make this symbol to make it clear that this is why you are changing the word because the spelling is incorrect.
Okay.
Okay. And if we want to add a period, we add the period and then we draw a circle around it to make it clear that a period has been added here. Okay, so we know that after you revise, and we talked about revision during our last lesson, after you revise, you need to proofread to check mechanics, grammar, and usage and spelling. So now let's look at this sample of explanatory writing and proofread it together. Read the following explanatory writing, check for spelling errors, make sure the verb tenses are correct. End each sentence with the correct punctuation mark. Use the proofreading marks from the box to mark your errors.
Miss, should we read it together or alone? Miss Hanan.
Hanan muted herself.
Okay. Miss, you're muted.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
you're
you're muted.
Sorry. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and start. Invisible ink. Would you like to send a secret message to a friend? What are we missing here? So look, guys, because we're going to run out of time, I'm going to go ahead and share my book, okay? And we will discuss why we made these changes together. Okay, would you like to send a secret message to a friend? Here we are missing correct punctuation. What is it? This is
Question
a
mark.
question. We must put
Question mark.
question
Yes.
mark. Very good. Okay, you can with some invisible ink. Let me tell you how to make it. You need a half a lemon, paper cup, water, plastic spoon. Here, plastic is misspelled. Plastic ends in a C, not a K. All right, so see, this is what I was telling you. We draw a line through the word and we write the correct spelling, and we make the symbol SP to remind ourselves that this was misspelled. This is why we changed it. Okay, cotton
Okay.
swab, white paper, lamp. All right, step 1. Squeeze the lemon juice into the cup. Add a few drops of water and mix well. Here we were missing
A period.
a period. So add the period and draw a circle around it to make it clear you added a period. Why do we draw a circle around it? So that once we are publishing or when we are making our final copy after the proofreading, we are sure that we notice that there should be a period added here. Number
Miss,
2.
does people use these proofread marks in real books?
Not in real books, because you never see the proofreading and the revision comes always before the final copy that you read in a book.
No, I mean, do they use it before they publish a book?
I'm sure they do. It might not be exactly like this, but I'm sure they have some form of proofreading that they use to make it easy for them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, number 2, dip the swab into the lemon juice and use it to write a message on the paper. Here, there is something wrong with the spelling again. What is wrong here?
Message.
Message. All right, so it should be A instead of E. All right, 3, let it dry. Can you see the writing? Sorry, guys, I forgot to mention in number 2, dip the swab into the lemon juice, comma, and. We should have a comma. Melek, please don't draw on the screen. All right, comma, and. Because here this is a compound sentence. We have 2 complete ideas. So we should add a comma before and. All right, part 3, let it dry. Can you see the writing? Here we should add.
Question mark.
This should be a question mark. Right. No, it is invisible.
What should be at the end?
Where should we add? We shouldn't add the and. We already have an and. We should put a comma before and in number 2. In step 2.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. All right, step 3. Let it dry. Can you see the writing? No, it is invisible. Step 4. Wait until the paper dries.
Miss, wait need to be capital.
Wait should be capital, right? This is why we are underlining it 3 times. Very good. Wait until the paper dries. Then hold it near a light bulb to heat it. Can you read the message now? Yes, you can. We should add a comma after yes, right? So add this add symbol, the arrow, and the comma. Yes, you can. Now get busy and send that secret message. Right here, we should add a exclamation mark for emphasis. Okay, is this magic or is it science? It is science. All right, so we should add a question mark after is it science? Because this is a question. Okay, guys, the meeting is going to end, but I wanted to quickly just tell you the proofreading steps.
Okay.
Sorry, the publishing steps. When do we publish?
Miss, we write it?
Yes. So our final step, step 5 is?
Miss, this is the final step?
Yes.
Yeah, we finish.
This is the final step, yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
All right, so this is on page
Miss, what is
200.
after publish?
This is on, what is after publish? There's nothing after publish.
Yes.
Yes.
There is nothing? This is the last one?
This is the last one, yes.
Miss,
Yes.
are we supposed to write 5 in the notebook?
I'm sorry?
Are we should write this in the notebook?
Yes, write this in the note.
Okay.
Okay, so the last thing we're going to do, and I want for you guys to please read after the meeting. On page 231, we have a final published piece of explanatory writing, how to make frost. All right, remember the frost that we read about in the textbook?
Yes.
So the final piece is on page 231. Read it. Okay.
Miss, what is frost?
What is what?
What is frost?
What is frost? Do you know in the winter there's in colder climates than Egypt, there's always frost on the window when it's really cold.
Miss,
It's made from water vapor.
Miss, it's the second
So it's
time
how to make-
Tamahi says what's the frost.
Okay, guys, the meeting is going to, you have another meeting that is starting at 11:20. All right, so what do we do when we publish? We check the revised draft.
Check.
Last time.
Okay.
Rewrite
Revised.
a neat final copy of the revised draft after you have finished proofreading.
Okay.
Revised. Sorry. All right, in step 3, you add pictures that show the steps you have explained.
Copy. Miss, you write so fast.
You
sorry?
write so fast.
I write fast because the meeting is going to end. You have another session now. It starts at 11:20.
Okay, I will do a screenshot or do it.
Okay. All right, guys. Tomorrow, you all know we are off. We will.
Yes.
I will
Miss,
meet you all
wait,
again on
please.
Sunday. I'm sorry.
Wait.
Okay.
Miss, when will we make the...
Wait for the announcement from me about the project. Okay? Today you only have a grammar sheet.
Miss?
Just a quick review since we have finished
Miss, are you
half
still in the
of...
session?
Yes, can you hear me?
Miss, you are
Miss, you are